Dinner recipes by Dr. Shikha Singh. 1. Lemon chicken and roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 boneless chicken breasts, 1 lemon, juiced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced, 1 zucchini, sliced, 1 red onion, sliced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a bowl, mix together the lemon juice, minced garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. 3. Add the chicken breasts to the marinade and let it sit for 15 minutes. 4. In a separate bowl, toss together the bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion with olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano. 5. Place the marinated chicken breasts on a baking tray and surround them with the vegetables. 6. Bake for 25–30 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender. 7. Serve hot and enjoy. 2. Quinoa and black bean bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 avocado, diced, a half cup cherry tomatoes, halved, a quarter cup red onion, diced, a quarter cup cilantro, chopped, 1 lime, juiced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Rinse the quinoa and place it in a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. 2. In a bowl, mix together the cooked quinoa, black beans, avocado, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. 3. Drizzle with lime juice and season with salt and pepper. 4. Serve as is or with a side of grilled chicken or shrimp for added protein. 3. Baked salmon with pesto and roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, a quarter cup pesto, 1 lemon, sliced, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 cup asparagus, trimmed, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190C. 2. Place the salmon fillets on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. 3. Spread pesto over each fillet and top with a lemon slice. Season with salt and pepper. 4. In a separate bowl, toss together the cherry tomatoes, asparagus, and mushrooms with olive oil, salt, pepper, and thyme. 5. Place the vegetables on the baking tray around the salmon fillets. 6. Bake for 15–20 minutes or until the salmon is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender. 7. Serve hot and enjoy with a side of quinoa or brown rice. 4. Vegetable stir fry with tofu. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, drained and cubed, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 inch ginger, grated, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup snow peas, 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, a quarter cup green onions, chopped. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and grated ginger. 2. Add the cubed tofu to the marinade and let it sit for 10–15 minutes. 3. Heat a large wok or pan over high heat and add the marinated tofu. Stir fry for 3–4 minutes or until lightly browned.